Hi and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you how to appear offline on Snapchat. So what you can do is turning on ghost mode. So ghost mode is a feature within Snapchat that allows you to hide your location from other users. So by turning on ghost mode, you become invisible on Snap Map, which is essentially equivalent to appearing offline. So how can we turn this on? So first you need to launch your Snapchat app, and then on the upper left corner of your screen you will see a map section, and then you will just need to click on it. And on the upper right corner of your screen you will see a gear icon which will lead you to your settings. On the upper part of the screen you will see a ghost mode section, and if it is turned off you just basically need to turn it on. So the ghost mode feature when the ghost mode feature is turned on, you will not appear on Snap Map, and this way you can maintain your privacy while still enjoying the features on Snapchat. So that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.